how to download TikTok video and remove watermark. So use this service. Just go to your account on a browser, copy link, select video, copy link, paste link here, click on download, and let's wait a little bit, and here you can download in HD without watermark. And it shows that you need to watch some promo in order to download.
Vēl és perfekti noskūts un
So let's watch the video, and let's watch ad, and after ad we'll be able to download. You need to watch ad in order to download in HD version. So here you can see that it started downloading. So really simple, use this service in order to download without watermarks your videos.